How's it going here? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'll be unboxing and setting up the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. I recently got the Surface Duo here, so I figured why not get the headphones and check them out at the same time. So as you can see here, they are promising some spectacular omnisonic sound is what they're calling it. And they have adjustable noise cancellation, so that's the cool feature here, that the noise cancellation is adjustable. And they're also promising exceptional clarity on calls, so they want this to be a multi-purpose headphone, not just for music and entertainment, but also for taking your calls and wearing them all day on video conferencing calls and probably their Teams collaboration software. And they're saying it's lightweight, comfortable. They have touch controls as well as voice controls, so I'm assuming touch controls on the ear cups. And they do have ear dials, and that's the unique feature of these headphones. Each cup has an ear dial. The left one, I think, is to dial in active noise cancellation, which they're saying, I think there's 13 levels of noise cancellation, so you can dial it up or dial it back. And the right cup will have the dial to control the volume up and down. So that's a really cool and unique feature here on these headphones that I don't think any other headphone has. So let's go ahead and get into the actual box. And right here we have the usual quick start guide and the product warranty information there, so it's just some bit of nighttime reading. And here are the headphones. They come in this really nice kind of vinyl case here. You can hear that. So really nice, really well constructed and pretty solid case here. It's even got a loop there, so let's go ahead and check it out. And so there are the headphones resting in there. We also get some cables. So we have a Type A to Type C cable here for charging. And we also have a cable to plug in the headphones so you can use them wired, and there also is an inline microphone so you can take your calls. And here are the headphones themselves. They come in a matte black or this kind of slate gray metallic color, and I got this because I wanted the color to match out all the Surface products. That's kind of their signature color here for the Surface. And off the bat, it definitely is a lightweight set of headphones, much lighter than I thought they were going to be. You've got some inserts here for the ear cups. We'll take that out. And you can check out the ear cups here. They are very nice and soft kind of leather ear cups here. Very nice, very soft, very plush. So these are probably going to feel very comfortable. They have pretty large cutouts for your ears. So these are definitely going to be the over-the-ear style, not the on-ear style for maximum comfort, which I personally like. I don't like the on-ear because they tend to pinch my ears too much. These look like they're going to be nice and comfortable. Pretty flexible as well. So I don't think you're going to have a problem in fitting different head shapes. You've got the top here. We'll take this part off and we'll check out. So you have a lot of expandability here on both sides. Seems pretty sturdy enough. You can see the construction materials in here as well. So pretty lightweight, pretty sturdy feeling. You got some padding in here, and this is also kind of more of a silicone padding on the inside, but it does feel nice and soft. Some plush padding in there. Maybe the padding might be a little bit of a problem because it's a pretty thin band, and it's not super thick from what I can feel, but it is nice and soft and plush. But overall, pretty nice set of headphones. You can see the Microsoft logo right there and the dials on each side. So let's go ahead and peel this off and check out some of the dials. So the dials do swivel around, you can see there. There's no clickiness to them, so you don't really hear them click. They're just nice and smooth, really smooth dialing and moving dials here. And we can try the dial on this side, same thing, very nice and smooth. No really clickiness, just super smooth dial turning. You've got the power button right there. And then you also have your USB Type-C, so this does charge with Type-C, and there is your line in to wire and plug in your headphones with that wired cord. All right, so I've got my Surface Duo open here, and we'll just go ahead and power on the headphones with that power key. And so it powered on, and it just, a voice indicated that the Surface phones are powered on and ready to pair. So let's go ahead and open up the Surface Audio app that is already pre-installed on the Surface Duo. And then let's go ahead and tap Connect on the Surface headphones. We'll go through and accept. And we'll tap Connect. And they're connected. So really simple one-tap connection there, just like a lot of companies are going towards where they have this app. You power it on, it immediately goes into pairing mode, one tap, and they're paired. Really nice and simple. And so now that we're all paired up, you can see basic information in the app about your remaining battery life as well as the volume level. And as we turn this dial here, you can see the volume go up and down. So that's pretty cool. If you actually tap on the headphones, this is where you have all your headphone settings. So you have an actual equalizer here, so you can choose from some presets, or you can actually just manually control it and customize the EQ to how you prefer to hear your sound. You also have other personalization features here, naming your device, pretty basic there. You have device controls, so you can actually control if you want your touch controls on or off. So if you find touch controls annoying, you can just turn them off. Voice prompts, if you don't like that, that can be turned off as well. And then you control the audio codec here. So if you don't want to use aptX audio for some reason, you can turn it off here as well. And this is also where you can update the firmware on your headphones. So we'll go ahead and see if there's any kind of a firmware update here. So we'll hit yes, check for updates. And it doesn't seem like there's any kind of an update waiting. All right, so now I'll walk through pairing the headphones with an iOS device. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. First thing you want to do is download the Surface Audio app from the App Store. You can open that up. And if you've already paired your Surface headphones with a previous device like I did with my Surface Duo, then you just power off the device by just pressing the power button, then just press and hold the power button until it powers back on, and you'll hear the voice prompt saying that it's in pairing mode, and you'll also see this flashing white light to indicate that it is in fact in pairing mode. So I've launched the Surface Audio app, and it should be the same procedure as on the Duo. I'll just hit connect here, and it scans it, found it. I'll just hit connect here, and it actually says connect in Bluetooth settings and come back, which is pretty funny. So let's go over to our settings and Bluetooth, and it should show up here, Surface headphones, and it is now connected. So it's pretty funny that you had to download the app and it just gives you a circular routine to go back into your normal Bluetooth settings to do just typical Bluetooth pairing. But there you go, pairing it up to a iOS device. That's how you do it, and it works there no problem. So now let's check out what kind of settings we have here at all in iOS. I'll just tap on the info icon next to the Surface headphones, and I can rename my Surface headphones if I want, it seems. Yep. And then it says device type. I can just call it a headphone, and sync contacts if I want to do that, and that's pretty much it. So that seems to be all the functionality you're going to get. Let's go back into the Surface Audio app, and let's see if we get any other functionality. So it is playing a sound. I heard it, and it'll connect the headphones into the app now, I guess. Pair. And now we're all connected. And it gives me the same tutorial about how to use the headphones that I saw on my Surface Duo device. And the app looks the same. You have your battery levels, you also have your volume indicator, and works the same way. I can turn the dial for the volume, and you can see the volume going up and down. Tap on the settings to see, looks like the same settings. So device info, equalizer is still here. Same EQ that we had, and the presets that I had from my Surface Duo carried over here. So once you set the equalizer, it is on the headphone, and you don't have to do it again on another device. Similar device controls, I can disable touch control and the voice prompts from here, and also update my firmware if I need to. So you don't need to have an Android device or a Microsoft device. You can always update your firmware even from your iOS device if you need to. So there you go, a quick unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2, as well as how to set it up on an Android device, the Surface Duo, or an iPhone. Stay tuned to the channel for more coverage on the headphones, as I'll cover more things like long-term comfort and fit, sound quality, how the controls are holding up, battery life, etc. So stay tuned to the channel. There's more videos coming on the Surface Headphones 2. Any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.